Royale Pass subscription lets you enjoy more rewards for the same price. There are two subscriptions, RP Prime and RP Prime Plus. RP Prime is a monthly US $4.99 subscription. For each subscribed month, you can collect 1. A 300 UC voucher that can be used for in-game RP purchases, Royale Pass upgrade, points, and redeemable items included. 2. 100 RP points. 3. 10% discount when redeeming items with RP points. 4. Exclusive AG redemption items. RP Prime Plus is a monthly US $12.49 subscription. For each subscribed month, you can collect 1. A 900 UC voucher that can be used for in-game RP purchases, Royale Pass upgrade, points, and redeemable items included. 2. 100 RP points. 3. Special airplane ranking display. 4. 10% discount when redeeming items with RP points. 5. Exclusive AG redemption items. Still not clear enough? Then let's break down RP Prime Plus a little more. Normally, you'd need 1,800 UC to get the level 25 Elite Pass Plus upgrade, which is US $24.99. But if you get the RP Prime Plus 3-month subscription, which includes the same amount of time and is the same price, you'll not only get the Elite Pass Plus upgrade value in UC, but also an additional 200 RP points and exclusive airplane ranking display. After subscribing to Royale Pass, you will have many uses for your AG. Besides using AG to participate in the lottery, you can redeem AG for RP points. Upgrading the Royale Pass is simpler than ever. So what's stopping you? RP subscription. Same price, more rewards.